What's up, blooms? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing my hair outside in nature. So I'm on a camping trip for a few days and I thought it would be a fun idea to do my natural hair out in nature with y'all. And I'm gonna be using some new products today. I'm gonna be using products from Nature's Little Secret. I thought it was fitting since I'm out in nature to use Nature's Little Secret. I know that's corny, but whatever. I'm gonna be using Nature's Little Secret items. I haven't used these products before. I have the Avocado Moisture Cream and their Strawberry Styling Smoothie. So I'm gonna be doing I think I'm just gonna do 2 braids. Like I said, I'm camping and I don't wanna do too much with my hair, so I just wanna put it away. So I'm just gonna do 2 simple braids and just let you guys see me styling my hair. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I just want this to be a different kind of video. Just watch me do my hair and enjoy some sounds of nature. Alright y'all, I'm all done styling my hair. I used the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream. And I also used their Strawberry Styling Smoothie. I just did some simple braids because, like I said, I'm out camping and I didn't want to do too much with my hair, but I wanted my hair to be moisturized and out of the way. So I just did these 2 simple braids. I really like the products so far. My hair feels really moisturized. This was my first time using these products. I'm excited to see how it dries. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little turn so y'all can see. Yeah, that's all for this video, y'all. I know it was different. I know it was probably short, but I just wanted to do something a little outside of my comfort zone, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't checked it out already, check out my camping vlog. I think it should be out by the time this video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.